Question number 82. The risk of shin splint injury is more if option A, there is flat feet, option B, cycling for long duration, option C, swimming a lot, and option D, collision in football. Shin splint is a common overuse injury from repeated stress over the shin bone. If left untreated, it leads to tibial stress fracture. Athletes, runners are more prone to this kind of injury. People with flat feet are prone to this injury, but the mechanism is a little bit different. In flat feet, what happens is the muscles and bone may not absorb or distribute the force from the impact and loading activities as well. That's why it puts more pressure on the shin bone. And if we see other options like cycling and swimming, they do not put any such heavy pressure directly on the tibia because there is no such weight bearing happening when a person is cycling or say swimming. Now, collision in football won't cause a stress fracture. It is a one-time event and it is not overuse injury, right? So there is not repetitive action, but it will be called as an acute trauma. So to answer question number 82, the risk of shin splint injury is more if there is a option A, that is flat feet.